welcome to Laney Content, where everything is miscellany. In today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to extract pages of a PDF file using Smallpdf. Before we start, I have this PDF file named PDF sample. This PDF file consists of 3 pages where I have put the number on it for a better understanding. Now, let's go! Firstly, go to smallpdf.com/split-pdf and click on Choose Files. Choose the PDF file that you want to extract. We will be choosing the file I have shown earlier. Double-click on the file or click Open to upload. Now, choose Extract Pages. Then click on Extract. Now you can see all the pages of the PDF file. Select the pages that you want to extract and click Extract. Now you can preview the PDF file. Then click Download to save it. Now this is the new PDF that we have extracted from the first file. To extract pages from more than one PDF, we can click Add More. Now open another PDF file and all pages are shown. Now we can select the pages we want to extract and click Extract. If you want to rearrange the pages, click on Edit PDF. Now you can drag the pages according to the order you want it to be. Then, click on Export and Download PDF. Oops! Looks like we don't have any more chances for today. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge on how to extract pages of a PDF. If you find this video informative, do like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See you next time with more content on Laney Content. Bye!